I have been here for 5 minutes. Out of courtesy to me as a senator judge, will you please keep quiet until the Senate President has acted?
Senator from Iloilo. So I apologize for not seeing the lady senator standing.
I know that the Senate President is hard of seeing. That's why he stood here. We have agreed among ourselves that to be visible to the Senate President, we shall stand up, even if he has not yet recognized us, for your information. Plus, please do not treat me as a mere observer. I am a judge in this proceeding. In any trial court, you go into a courtroom, you should not speak, you should not take any behavior at all, unless with the consent of the presiding judge. Do not drown me out by screaming in this courtroom. Only I can scream here, and my fellow judges. This is the first thing I want to say. I am in very strong support of the ruling of the chair. Number two, as already indicated, even before this witness came in, I already made the point that she cannot possibly testify as to whether the allegations in the income tax return of the accused or the respondent are true or not. All she can testify is, I have brought you an official copy of a record that has been filed in our office. That's all. She's merely an attesting officer. In fact, if prosecution had been on its toes, it should have asked opposite camp for a stipulation. Pwede magkasundo lang tayo sa pinag-uusapan dito. Ito ang income tax return ng Chief Justice na ni-file niya sa BIR. O, payag ka ba o hindi? O, di tapos na. Kasi yun lang sasabihin ng testigo eh. Hindi mo naman sabi, totoo ba itong mga nilista niyang ito? Wala, hindi naman siya nag-imbestiga. Kung meron lang siyang mga tauhan nag-imbestiga, ang ginagawa nila, kung sa tingin nila ay nagkamali o nagsinungaling doon, ay ibibigay nila ang complaint nila sa fiskal, at ang fiskal ngayon ay magdemanda sa korte. At doon sa korte, malalaman natin kung totoo ba ang sinasabi ng BIR, nagsinungaling ang tao o nagkamali lang ang BIR. Hindi yan dito. Kaya, maganda yung ginawa ng defense dahil sabi niya, ay kung yun lang palang pag-usapan, payag na kami. Hindi na kinanglan, i-attest pa ni Commissioner, maraming ginagawa yan doon. So that is the present status of the proceeding. Ay kaya tayo tumagal dahil may oration pa eh. Huwag nyo kami i-orate dito. This is not a school on oratorical skills. This is a school of logic and experience. Ano bang istorya ninyo na ang Chief Justice nagnakaw ng pera? Yun ang mayor ninyong istorya eh. Ngayon, anong relasyon dito sa income tax return niya? I-establish lang naman ninyo, nag-file siya ng income tax return, ngayon meron kaming panibagong ebidensya na itong income tax return niya kulang. Meron pa siya ibang mga pag-aari, kaya mayaman siya. Kaya ngayon, pagtatanong ay kung pinayaman pala niya sarili niya, ay di siguro suspityoso itong taong ito, hindi dapat manatili na Chief Justice. Yun lang ang pagtatanong. Huwag tayo dito naglalaban tungkol sa mga puntong ito. Nililito niyong publiko at nagagalit sa inyo eh. Pakinggan niyo ang radyo.
Session suspended for 1 minute.